Builderall is an online business platform and suite of digital marketing tools which are offered at an affordable price so that the maximum number of people can benefit. It is built around the concept of help and leverage. Founded in 2008 by Eric Salgado in Brazil, Builderall was introduced to the United States in 2017. To this day, it remains the most unique and efficient digital marketing platform ever found by anyone, anywhere. Builderall as a company is a home for the determined people, the fighters, the ones who don't give up so easily. Founded in 2007, our CEO, Eric Salgado, was a champion karate kickboxer who started the first online directory in Brazil at about the same time that Google got started. Rather than go the approach of Google and take over our entire civilization, Salgado decided he would create a platform that would empower and improve the status of everyone who was able to believe in it, use it, and see its vision. Its vision is simply to provide all the tools necessary for people to be successful. Obviously, you can make and sell websites, sales funnels, create lists and turn around and sell them, or become an affiliate marketer through one of the already established affiliate marketing programs. You can also sell cell phone apps, and you can sell content created through the script generator. There are so many ways to make money with Builderall. The challenge is just picking one. But if you've got any talent or interest in digital marketing, you're sure to find something because there's so much there to choose from. When you sign up to sell Builderall as a business, you not only get the power of conducting webinars, of creating chatbots, of having your own store just like you'd find on Shopify or JVZoo, and a host of other integration opportunities. But when you sign up to sell Builderall as a business, you're saying something to the world. You're saying that you are a person of experience, one who is willing to try bold solutions in order to get ahead. You're saying that you know where the shortcuts are. You are the pathfinder. Builderall as a business is unique. It will simply sell itself. The only thing you have to do is enjoy the pleasure of success at any one of the many tools Builderall has to offer. If you are an affiliate, your only job is to sell the product. There is no commitment and you can just walk away. But with Builderall, you're building a digital marketing agency on the concept of help and leverage. That means you've helped other people to create their own digital marketing agencies. And with Builderall, at the end of the day, you can just sell your account or leave it to your children or those who follow behind you. Builderall is a digital marketing platform. It is not an MLM. Therefore, you don't have to recruit anybody. When speaking of Builderall, leverage the capability and what Builderall actually does. We often compare Builderall to a Home Depot. When someone comes into a Home Depot, they already know what problem they need to solve. We just provide them the tools, and they get the job done. Online and have a pre-existing business or product, then you are selling Builderall as a platform. If, on the other hand, you are providing opportunities to others for them to use the platform, then you are selling Builderall as a business. The idea is that you would start off as a platform and learn the different tools, demonstrate how they work for yourself, and then you would graduate into becoming a Builderall business. And people would follow you as they see changes in your lifestyle and the results that you can produce through getting customers online. It is absolutely true that the early adopters will always make more money than those who come after. But with Builderall, this is the perfect time to join. As of 2018, we have tens of thousands of users, but our market is millions of users. That's because there's an entrepreneur in just about every family. Even if every single business that you can even imagine could get customers online using Builderall within just a few hours, doesn't necessarily mean that you or anyone else are going to make money. Clean advertising is telling the truth, presenting things as they really are without promising an outcome. Builderall will make sense to the people who can use it. It's a bit overwhelming at first. Sometimes it takes people a little while to get ready for the dramatic changes that a platform like Builderall will make in their business and in their lifestyle. It is always better and safer to work with companies that already have the content and know what problems they want to solve. Builderall is designed with an ecosystem so that you can easily transfer accounts as they grow. So, the ideal client for Builderall is really anybody who will give you an opportunity to create some results. Builderall may at times look like an MLM. It certainly attracts a lot of people who are into MLM because they understand the value and the power of digital marketing. But Builderall is not an MLM. That's because with Builderall, there are only 2 levels of affiliate compensation. Therefore, the emphasis is not on getting a lot of people, but getting the right people. You want people who are going to actually use and work the platform. It should be relatively easy to find. After all, every family has at least one entrepreneur, and that person might just be you. You don't really have to sell Builderall at all. The platform will make sense to the people who get it. It is far better to listen than to speak, and in Builderall, it is better to show rather than to tell. You are looking for people who are actually going to work the platform, because at the end of the day, the only way you're going to make real money in Builderall is if you work the platform and make the platform work for you. Again, it is similar to buying a Home Depot. If you were going to buy a Home Depot, it's probably a good idea if you know something about carpentry or construction. If you already own a construction company and you buy a Home Depot, well, then you're in a very favorable situation. But even if you don't know anything about construction or carpentry, you could probably still run a Home Depot if you were willing to learn. And so it is with Builderall. Those people are most successful who are willing to learn. If I had to narrow it down to just 3 things, I would say community, opportunity, and young people. It's a community that's built around help and leverage. It's an opportunity to live a lifestyle where you dictate your working hours, where you can spend time with family and friends and see the things that you've always wanted to see. And for young people, well, there's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing the young people mature and become successful. That's the reason why I got into education to begin with. It's because of that feeling. Yeah. You can sell a product door to door, or you can sell one from every shopping mall and Walmart in America. It's all a question of leverage. Throughout the world, Builderall users are known for helping each other to acquire that kind of leverage. Builderall is the type of thing where you bring your ideas, you apply them to the system, you figure out how to get it done, and then you teach others what you have done. Help and leverage. It's what Builderall is all about. Builderall does take some time and effort to learn. There are a lot of tools there, but you can do it. And there is a supportive online community there to help you. If, however, you're a person who is not very technically oriented, don't have a lot of time in the day, then that's what the Certified Partner Program is all about. Find yourself a partner, a person you can trust, build a long-term relationship, and have them do the work for you in Builderall. A Builderall certified partner is a person who has proven to Builderall Corporate that they know how to work the platform. It is a person we believe can do anything in Builderall. Becoming a certified partner opens one up to the world of badges and gamification, and you are also sanctioned to teach Builderall. Certification happens twice a year, and certification stays with you for the duration of this version of Builderall. The base Builderall account is perfect if you already have a business offline. If, however, you plan to run an online business, then the Builderall business account offers a few more tools that might be helpful to you. Things such as the capability to do webinars, e-commerce, and chatbots. Either way, there is a Builderall level that is just perfect for you, whether your business is online or offline. Digital marketing is the only form of marketing that makes sense anymore. If a person is not on their cell phone, they are usually on a tablet or a computer. And that's because when you're online, you can find the very specific audience or things that are of interest to you. And since that is the capability of being online, well, then it only makes sense that digital marketing is the only kind of marketing that's important, because you can just market to the people who you know are interested in your product or service. Whether or not you already have a website, you can create a lead capture page in Builderall in order to get more local clients. You probably already produce a newsletter or a blog or do some type of advertising to generate interest in your product or service. With Builderall, it's basically the same thing, except you're doing it online. You create a website, you capture leads, you engage with the leads through email and social media, you make an offer, and then wash, rinse, repeat. There are many other tools in Builderall to enhance your digital marketing efforts. These include browser notifications, a chatbot, a cell phone app, a webinar creator, and many, many more.